Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Cardano on Coinbase and want to move it to Gemini for better rates or diversification, you're in the right place. Today, we're walking through the step-by-step process for 2025, which might have some updated features for smoother transactions. This guide is super straightforward, so even if you're new to crypto, you'll get it done quickly and safely. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Gemini. Double-check that your Cardano ADA balance is available on Coinbase and that you've verified your identity on Gemini to avoid any delays. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and find your wallet section. Look for Cardano in your asset list. Once you're there, click on the Send or Withdraw button next to your ADA balance. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Switch over to your Gemini account, go to your wallet, and copy the ADA deposit address. Paste that into the Coinbase send form. Pro tip: always double-check the address to prevent any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Specify the amount of ADA you want to withdraw. Enter a precise figure and don't forget to check for any network fees. In 2025, Coinbase might have updated fee structures, so keep an eye on that to minimize costs. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll see a summary screen. Make sure everything looks correct, then hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Once submitted, the transfer should process quickly, usually within minutes, depending on network congestion. Step 5. Head back to Gemini and check your account. Your ADA should appear in your wallet shortly. If it doesn't, give it a little time and monitor the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Cardano's official site. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your Cardano from Coinbase to Gemini. Remember, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets if possible and stay updated on any platform changes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.